Want some?
Nope.
Excuse you. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yo, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What's up, homies? Today we're about to make some shrimp grits, honey, with cheese, a little bit of sausage, and some peppers. Honey, it is delicious. You got to keep watching this video to learn how to make it. It is a simple recipe, and it is delicious. You can eat it any time of the day, not just for breakfast. And I want to show you guys how to make it. Okay, this is butter and olive oil mixed together. When you mix them together, it keeps them from burning out too quickly. I don't have to put this much butter in there to sear the shrimp because I want some left over so that I can throw the vegetables into the same pan without cleaning it. So all the seasoning that's on the shrimp will be left in the butter so that I can throw in the vegetables again and saute them and pick up some of that seasoning. The shrimp should cook no longer than about 2 minutes on each side. At least one side I want to sear, so I'll let it cook for about 3 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other side. Just eyeball it. When it's no longer gray and it starts to turn pinkish, reddish in color, then you know it's ready. Now here's a close-up of what a nice sear looks like. You have to be careful that you don't burn it. You just want to brown the side, have a little crispy, and that's how a nice sear looks like. Now it's about ready to turn over for a minute, and then you'll be ready to remove it from the pan. Guys, I'm glad you're watching. If you made it this far, find that subscribe button and click on it. Hit that little notification bell beside it. Whether it's a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or your mobile phone. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can be aware of more videos when they're uploaded. Thank you. So even after removing the vegetables, I still did not clean the pan. I still want to pick up that seasoning left over. So now I'm about to make a little roux, and this will end up becoming a sauce, a little gravy that I like to add to the grits. It is so delicious like that. Just want to add a little bit of salt, not too much, because you're going to have salt in the grits. You already have salt on the shrimp. You don't want too much salt. Now see here, I added an egg. This is a little technique that you guys can try. Add a raw egg to your grits, stir it up really, really good, and it's gonna allow your grits to come out so creamy, honey. Listen to me, honey. Pick up these techniques, honey. Add a little bit of mozzarella cheese because I like my grits cheesy. I love me some cheese in my grits. This is gonna melt. Now I'm going ahead and showing you how I put it together. It looks like a little grit pizza here. I put the gravy down first, then I added the grits, adding some of that cheese blend. Then I'm gonna throw those sausages on top of it and add the peppers all around it. Throw it in the microwave just to let the cheese melt. And it's gonna come out looking like a little grit pizza, honey. And it's delicious. You can garnish it now. Throw on a little bit of paprika for garnish and a little bit of parsley at the end, honey. And then I can call this a little grit pizza. But no, this is a grit and it just came out so delicious. Enjoy.
A few moments later.